What's up, guys? Welcome back to another video. Today we got boat restoration number 2.
Dose.
We're gonna be taking the boat back to Jeremiah's house so we can get all this crap out of it and wash it out at the car wash. You guys won't be able to see anything because it's dark as f***. R.I.P. But we're gonna get back to Jeremiah's house and we'll see you then.
I can feel your energy. It's like you're standing next to me. You're forever on my mind.
Man.
We're eating good while we're working on this boat. We're gonna start shoveling everything out of it. We've got a whole bunch of junk in there. And then we're gonna take it up to the car wash.
Here, let's see how much water's in there. I don't hear it draining anymore, so that's good.
It might be clogged up because all the leaves.
Yeah.
Yeah, we're gonna have to shovel all that out.
Kid you not, there was, how much water do you think was in there? I mean,
I would say at least 74 gallons. At least.
dude, there's like the Atlantic Ocean in there.
Atlantic Ocean.
There was so much water in there. What? Yeah,
yeah. So that was when we were trying to get it out of the spot. Do we have wires running from here? Or
probably there inside. These are Bluetooth.
Oh, I see him. I see him up top.
Yeah.
It's shoved in there deep.
They're probably Bluetooth. Bluetooth, man. It's, you know, the new age.
All right, well, let's go gear up. We're gonna get all the lights and everything, and we're gonna get to working.
And we're cooking right now, so.
There goes the light right there.
You're forever by my side. Won't you hold me closely? I don't want to fade away. Please just watch over me. It's not easy. Your love is immortal.
Hey, well, honestly, given that it has that much water in it, that's a good sign.
That is a very good sign. Because we'll be doing a leak test here soon.
Obviously,
No, but yeah.
A float test?
Yeah, all that. Get a drain plug and we'll fill it with water and take it to the water and drop it on and make sure everything's good there and then go from there. Honestly, I don't know where we're gonna take it for our float test.
Probably the marina.
There's like
the marina. Just take it in Lake Potter.
Yeah. So well, there's really no current. Throw the trolling motor on or something.
Yeah, that work good.
Lake George out there.
Yeah, that would work too.
Yeah, then we can take our kayaks out too, or you can just take this and then if it floats, you know what I mean, take the John boat out fishing.
Yeah, that would be a good idea, honestly.
Ooh, I can smell the steaks. Let's flip them.
You wanna check the steaks real quick?
Yeah, let's flip them.
Yeah, let's go check.
Let's get close up on these steaks. I can smell them. Okay, let's get a flip action
Whose
on
steak
them.
is whose?
Yours is these two. That's me.
Okay. Andy, what'd you bring?
About the brats.
Brats. What are those two over there?
Okay, maybe they can stay on a little longer.
Yeah.
Yeah. Oh yeah, that one was looking nice. How long have we had them on, you know?
Nope.
Hey, neither.
We're just going by.
I agree.
I agree. Ha. Yeah.
There you go. There you go.
Oh my god, I wish you guys could like smell this because it smells amazing.
No, raise it up a little bit. Raise it up a little bit. Yeah.
Alrighty, let's get back at it. Are we gonna take all this stuff out?
Yeah.
Yeah, because we gotta wash it. All right. We're gonna cut back to the time lapse. You guys will see this. Yeah, now we got it going. Now they're looking good. Got some nice lines. Brats are looking fantastic. Ty's chefing it up.
I mean, look at his belly. Of course he's chefing it up.
Alrighty, well, we just got the boat kind of cleaned out as much as we can. We're gonna
go inside and get up.
We're gonna wait until this food's done, and then we are gonna take this thing to the car wash and see if we can't get this baby cleaned up. Oh, hit it, hit it, hit it, hit it, hit it, hit it. Yeah, 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 yeah. Hit the jiggy, hit the jiggy, hit the jiggy, hit the jiggy, hit the. Oh. Okay, we're taking off some more carpet.
I was kind of curious to see how like it would feel. Definitely came right off.
Looks like there's like some plywood that's kind of disintegrating, and then.
Is this like a? I don't even know. Huh. I don't know. It's riveted in. I'll just kind of we'll repiece this back together or something.
Yeah, screw some more wood into it.
Yeah.
We can put some new.
Yeah, there's some holes.
Yeah.
There's holes in it.
Yeah, we'll put new plywood down. We'll get it all off.
Yeah, just have to do some measuring.
Yeah.
We can grab some like the seat cushion padding.
Yeah.
Put some carpet over that. That's just breaking away.
Literally. Yeah, we come over there. We'll get the rest of that off.
Yeah.
Foam in here.
It's foam?
Yeah.
Oh. Maybe to help with vibration?
Well, with floating. Just what they add. A lot of boats got foam in the bottom.
Yeah. Are we gonna take off this one too?
That one's on there pretty good.
Honestly, it doesn't look terrible, but
And those screws would have to come out, so.
we might need to replace it.
Yeah, we'll have to. We'll get to that later. Because this one will come out too.
But yeah, now we just gotta wash it out. So we'll cut to that after we get our bellies full.
Yeah. I'm hungry.
Alrighty guys, we just made it to the car wash. Jeremiah is attempting to back up the boat. He's getting really good at this. Especially for having that camper top on it. You're gonna have to straighten it out most likely. Straighten it out. Yep. Now come, yep. Perfect, now straight. Money. Keep on coming back a little bit more and stop. Stop there, I think, because we're right over the drain. I think we stop here because we're right over the drain. Yeah, so we're gonna just try to spray all this stuff out. You can see there's literally stuff like growing on here. All this wood was rotten. So we're gonna swipe a credit card and we're gonna get to spraying.
It's just because it keeps getting plugged. Watch out for my window. What's it sitting on? Oh. Yeah. Let's try to keep it right here for a second. If you can. I gotta keep. Shoot. So much stuff in there, dude. Wipe it down, get her clean. Getting a full bath. You don't gotta worry about this part. That's the foam. We're gonna tear that out anyways. Put some new foam in there.
Dude, I wish you guys could smell this. This smells amazing.
It really does. So basically, guys, as you've seen, so I'm thinking from probably this seat up is gonna be a casting deck with a chair. We'll probably keep this chair. And then just some storage in here and stuff, and I might put a deck on the bottom just so we have a flat surface to walk. I don't know yet. I'm still 50-50. We'll see.
Do you want to lift it up a little bit so this water can...
Yes, sir.
I don't know if this is good for our leather, but...
Hey, it's alright. It's old leather.
It looked a little biohazardous. And I'm not gonna...
Yeah,
absolutely ruin their brush. Oh wait.
You gonna do the outside?
Yeah.
Yeah, give her a full wipe down, man.
Alrighty, we're gonna drain all this out. It's starting to look a little bit better. It's not looking like a piece of crap anymore. It's looking like pretty nice. As you can see, it used to be blue, but they painted over it. Oh, it looks like you guys got a little bit of water on you there. Hold on.
What are we looking at?
So it used to be blue, but they painted over it black. So we're gonna have to go through and sand that all off before we paint it.
I don't know if we're gonna sand it or if you just put like a primer white over it or what. We'll figure it out though.
Yeah, we're gonna do something. But yeah, it's looking a lot better inside, a lot less dirty. Still draining, which is good. That ain't going nowhere. Don't worry, we're extra safe. Alrighty guys, well I think that's gonna wrap up this video. We're just about finished here, just draining out all the water. We got our handy dandy paddle. But yeah, oh my gosh, I almost dropped you guys. But so, this one was just about cleaning up the boat, getting all the crap out of it, getting it ready so we can get the dimensions and get all the materials to fix it up and put that casting deck back on it. So make sure you look out for our next video for this boat series, and we'll see you guys later. Peace out.
Y'all have a good one.